Today I'm unboxing the MealHelper 12-in-1 vegetable chopper. Look at this sleek green and gray design. Super modern. First impression, it feels sturdy and compact in my hands. Let's open it up and see what's inside the box. Wow, 7 different blades, all neatly packed. There's also a big food container with a lid. Love that. I see an egg white separator, hand protector, cleaning brush, scraper. Everything's organized and easy to access. No clutter here, instructions included, makes setup super simple for beginners. Let's try out the 2mm slicing blade first. Attaching the blade is quick, just snap it in place. I'm slicing a cucumber. The blade glides through effortlessly. Slices are uniform, perfect for salads or snacks. Switching to the potato lattice blade now. This one's ideal for homemade fries. Look at those cuts. Next, let's test the shredding blade with carrots. Fast, even shreds, no struggle, no mess. Trying the mashing blade for avocado, smooth and creamy. Now the dicing blades, 6.5 by 6.5 mm and 14 by 14 mm options. Perfect for prepping onions and peppers for stir fries. The press-down design feels ergonomic and safe. Using the hand protector, my fingers feel totally secure. No worries about accidental cuts or slips. Let's use the egg separator, crack, pour, and done. Egg whites separate cleanly, no shell fragments. Food drops straight into the large storage box. The container holds a lot, great for meal prep. Non-slip bottom keeps everything stable on the counter. Side holes make draining veggies super easy. No need for extra bowls or cutting boards. Cleanup time, using the included brush and scraper. Stainless steel blades rinse off quickly. No residue. Everything fits back inside the container for storage. Space-saving design. No more cluttered kitchen drawers. All parts nest together, ready for next use. Let's talk durability. Blades are solid stainless steel. They slice and chop faster than my old kitchen knife. No bending or dulling after multiple uses. Switching blades is simple. Just pop them in or out. Versatility is the key here. So many blade choices. Slicing, dicing, chunking, shredding, all in one tool. Great for prepping salads, stir-fries, and garnishes. Perfect for busy families or anyone who loves cooking. If you're a kitchen gadget fan, you'll love this. No more wasting time chopping veggies by hand. MealHelper speeds up meal prep. Less effort, more results. It's efficient, safe, and genuinely fun to use. I'm impressed by how much it simplifies cooking. Even kids can help out safely with the handguard. The large container means fewer trips to empty scraps. Everything stays neat and organized during prep. Easy to clean, easy to store. Big win for me. I've used other choppers, but this one stands out. The interchangeable blades make it super versatile. I love the egg separator for quick breakfasts. The hand protector is a must-have for safety. Instructions are clear, so you'll master it fast. No more clutter. Everything stores in the box. If you have limited kitchen space, this is perfect. Ideal for home cooks, busy families, and gadget lovers. It's a practical upgrade for any kitchen setup. I'd recommend MealHelper for anyone who values efficiency. If you hate tedious veggie prep, this is your solution. The stainless steel blades are sharp and reliable. Cleanup is a breeze with the included tools. Everything feels well made and thoughtfully designed. I'm genuinely impressed by the quality and versatility. So should you get the MealHelper vegetable chopper? Absolutely, especially if you want to save time and space. Check out the link below and upgrade your kitchen today. Let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen tips. See you in the next video. Happy cooking! Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.